Hey guys! In today's tutorial, I'm going to share a method to get unlimited Microsoft Rewards points. Check out my account. I've collected an endless number of points. How did I achieve this? The secret lies in a special app that seamlessly adds Microsoft Rewards points to your account. If you're interested in learning how to access unlimited points, stay tuned until the end of the video, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Before we begin, we have to go over a few important setup checks, especially for iOS users. Android users can skip ahead to the main installation guide. First, open your device's settings, go to General, and tap on Background App Refresh. Make sure that either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data are enabled. This setting ensures that the app can refresh and work properly in the background. Next, return to the Settings menu and select Battery. Make sure low power mode is turned off, as having it enabled can impact the app's performance. Once you've completed these steps, you're ready to proceed with the app installation. After completing the initial checks, we can move forward. Open your browser and go to appbinge.com, a trusted site that hosts various modded apps. Search for Microsoft Rewards and select it from the results. You'll be directed to a detailed page with information like the number of downloads and community ratings. Click the Download Now button, and the system will start downloading and installing the app. This process is quick, and you should see a confirmation message once the installation is successful. If the message doesn't appear, it could mean the server needs an update or additional files are required. Don't worry, this step is straightforward, with clear instructions on the screen. Once this is done, the necessary files will download, and the installation will be completed. I've already installed it, and everything works smoothly. And that's all there is to it. That's the complete process for getting unlimited Microsoft Rewards points. Thanks for sticking around until the end. If you found this video helpful and everything works fine for you, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. If you run into any issues or have questions, feel free to drop a comment and I'll be happy to help. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.